I'm going to show you all 8 shades of the Beyond Clean Lip Gloss by Ogee without any Photoshop. At the end of the video, I'll review which shades have more transparency, shimmer, and opacity so that you can decide which shades you like. So those are all of the swatches, and now I'm just going to quickly share with you thoughts on the formulation and touch base on some of the colors. This is a really comfortable lip plumper, and usually lip plumpers have a really strong tingling burning sensation in my experience, and this one is very mild. I almost feel like I just have a cooling tingling sensation, but there's no burning and no stinging. Because of that, I don't think that it plumps my lips as much as a more aggressive lip plumper, but I actually prefer that this is a little bit more subtle and it's more comfortable to wear. It still definitely smooths out some of the lines on my lip. It just doesn't feel like my mouth is on fire. Additionally, the texture is really nice. It's really hydrating and feels long wearing, but it's not tacky or sticky, and it has kind of like a light vanilla scent to it. My only critique with this product is the applicator. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with it. It's really wide, which is nice for applying the product, and it's also flexible, so it kind of flexes with your lip. It's a little annoying when you're going to put it back inside of here though, because it is flexible and it's a little bit wider than I think the opening in the bottle. You kind of have to apply pressure, and product kind of gathers around the rim of the bottle. But I don't know if that's really much of a deterrent for me, because honestly, I love Ogee's packaging. It's one of my favorite things about their line. That is literally my only critique about this product. So now on to the shade descriptions. There are 3 shades that have shimmer in them, and those colors are Freesia, Poppy, and Anemone. I don't know. Let's Google that. Well, it's a film for one. It's a psychological thriller. It's a flower. Wildflowers, a genius of perennial plants in the buttercup family that produce vibrant daisy or poppy-like flowers in a variety of colors. Okay, how do we pronounce this?
Anemone.
I missed the mark on that one. Anemone. My pronunciation for the day is very poor, but that's okay. Those are the 3 shimmery shades, and the lightest of the 3 of them is Poppy, which is actually what I have on right now. Next up are the shades that don't have shimmer. Cosmo is one of the colors, very sheer, as well as Thistle. Thistle reminds me of a slightly deeper Cosmo. These are 2 of my favorite colors, honestly. We have Wild Rose and this beautiful brown shade, which is Foxglove. This would be a beautiful nude on a deeper complexion, or if you just like deeper brown tones. Honestly, the 2 lightest, sheerest, I think most natural shades are Poppy, which is what I'm wearing, and then Cosmo, which was the second color that I put on. Let's also just share with you the colors that have the most opacity, which means the most color payoff. So we have Freesia, Wild Rose, Anemone, and Foxglove. So those are the 4 colors with the most pigment. And then these are my 3 favorite shades. So this one is Cosmo, which is just like a really light wash of color with no shimmer. It's just like a step up from clear, but for some reason I really love it. Then the next one is Thistle, which is like a deeper but still transparent version of Cosmo. It's still really sheer, but has a really beautiful pinky berry undertone. And then Poppy, which is the shade that I currently have on. It's like a peach with a golden shimmer. Those are my 3 go-to shades from this collection, although I think all of them are really beautiful. I'll go ahead and categorize those in the caption just so it's easier to visualize when you're picking out the shades that you might like. Well, I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, if you try these, feel free to put it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.